In this video, we are going to learn about algebra and I am going to solve this problem. Solve the two equations by substitution, and these are the equations. Let's name the equation as 1 and 2. Now we can take any one equation, either equation 1 or equation 2, and we are going to change the equation in terms of x or y, which means we have to keep x on one side and bring y and numbers on the other side, or we can keep y on one side and bring x and numbers on the other side. I am going to take equation number 2. X plus y is equal to 7, and I am going to change it in terms of x. So I am going to keep x on the left hand side and I don't want the y value. So I am going to subtract y on both sides of the equation so that the equation doesn't change. So this cancels out. So x is equal to 7 minus y. So I am going to substitute x equal to 7 minus y in equation 1. So I'm going to write equation 1, 5x plus 2y is equal to 32. So instead of x, I'm going to write 7 minus y. So 5 times, instead of x, 7 minus y plus 2y is equal to 32. I'm going to use distributive property and multiply 5 times 7, that is 35, and 5 times minus y, so that is minus 5y plus 2y is equal to 32. So which is 35, and this is minus 5y and this is plus 2y. Since both are y variables, I'm going to put them together. Since one is negative and one is positive, we have to subtract first and put the sign of the big number. Here the sign of the big number is negative, so I'm going to put negative, and we have to subtract 5 minus 2, which is 3. So 3y is equal to 32. I want only the variable on the left hand side, so I'm going to remove 35 by subtracting 35 on both sides of the equation. So this cancels out. So minus 3y is equal to 32 minus 35. Since 35 is a big number, I'm going to put the negative sign, and we have to subtract 35 minus 32 is 3. Since there is a negative sign on both sides of the equation, I'm going to multiply by negative 1 so that these two cancels out. So 3y is equal to 3. I want only y variable, so I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides of the equation so that these two cancels out and these two cancels out. So y is equal to 1. We found the value of y. Now we are going to find the value of x. By substituting y equal to 1, you can substitute in either equation 1 or equation 2. I'm going to take equation 2. So substitute y is equal to 1 in equation 2. So x plus y is equal to 7. That's equation number 2. X plus, instead of y, I'm going to put 1. So 1 is equal to 7. I want only x on the left hand side. So I want to take out 1. So I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides of the equation so that the equation doesn't change. And this cancels out. So x is equal to 7 minus 1 is 6. So x is 6 and y is 1. Now we found both values by using substitution. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.